Staring out the window, reach.
Thank you. This is the one with the den. There's the bathroom. Oh, this is the one I saw in the photo. I love the mirrors.
I know the mirrors make it feel.
It makes
a lot
it big.
bigger.
Yeah, it makes it look bigger.
Because it's already, I feel like, a good amount of space. But then
What size is this bed? Full or queen?
I think that's a queen.
Queen? Okay. And this is the closet. Oh, you don't have it, but sometimes you can.
Yes, sometimes it does become available. That one was recently rented out. I think either yesterday or the day before.
Probably it was the one I saw online. Okay. Oh, it is nice. Coronado Bridge, Coronado Island City.
So this one has a little bit more storage outside.
Laundry, extra closet. This is a corner unit, 2-bedroom.
No.
This is more spacious. First bedroom. Oh, this is the other one I saw on the video as well. I mean the picture. I love it. It's a long walk, kind of wrap around. Wow.
Income requirements, or if there's something in your credit that we can't verify, then we would do the first month, last month.
Income requirements, 2 or 3 times.
2.5 times the market rate. Come work, study, hang out, as well as the game room with additional lounge areas. Our yoga room is open 24 hours, as well as our gym is also open 24 hours. Keep all of our packages in one of the package rooms. If you ever need anything to concierge, you just go to the concierge step and you can go ahead and carry your packages. You also get an email every time that you get one.
Okay, that's good. The jacuzzi and then the pool. And this is the only pool you have, right, in the building?
Yes.
So the Pinnacle and the Spire share it?
Yes, we
Okay.
share the amenities between both buildings.
Okay.
Floor units, they're all furnished. I don't know if you guys would be interested in
Oh, which one?
furnished bedroom. The one
Oh, furnished, okay. What is that rooftop balcony? Street parkings for visitors. Parking spots. Oh, it's nice. kitchen is not that bad.
Put my big TV there on top of the fireplace.
Yeah. And this one is good because I want a dining room. And the patio, good for the dogs, and it's hardwood floors. And that's the storage. Let's check the storage. Oh, it's locked. And I like the high ceiling and the lightings here. AC and storage. Or coat closet, but it's not cold here. I like it, but this is the bedroom. Oh, the bathroom is here as well. It's like yours, but yours is downstairs. So this is the bathroom. Yeah, I like that it's tub. Oh, I like it. And it's bright.
That's be perfect. It's a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of small if we have friends over, but it's like
We'll open the patio. Or they have like,
patio too.
no, they have entertainment area downstairs.
Thing there, yeah.
I like this.
Yeah, this is really nice. It's basic extra.
It's essential. I really love the high ceiling, the stairs, and that it's hardwood floor, and here is fine. Dogs are not allowed here.
You're paying $2,600 for the high ceiling.
I don't know if this is the 2600. Can we rent this club car? Keep closed. This is the pool. Oh, this is another pool because they have 5 pools. This is one of them. That's good at. This is the pool, other pool, and that's the apartment. It's very close.
This one.
Stop eating.
It's just like my place. It's a long walk.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, this is the one on the photo. We need more storage. I love that it's here. And then the kitchen is spacious. It's spacious. This is 2 bedroom. This is the living room. And I like that they put a big mirror here. It makes it look bigger. I know we can't keep it, but we're putting one. But it's carpeted. Yeah, and this bedroom, you can see the patio or the balcony. It's big. This is the storage. Oh, I love the view. Oh my gosh. And it's gonna be nice at night. Oh, it is. So there's no storage.
So look. Yeah, the view's cool.
Wait. I like it. I just hope it's hardwood. This is the other bedroom. Guest room. Or not the guest room. Maybe the master's. I'm not sure. And this is the bathroom. More storage. Wait. Okay, more storage. That's good. I just wish it's hardwood. Which one is the master's? Oh, this? Okay. Oh yeah, it's bigger. It's a walk-in closet. The other one is a walk-in closet too.
Okay, so you get your storage.
Yes. And that's the view. Oh my gosh, I like this. It's
Get a
big.
view, San Diego State.
So that is it. Here you go. That's the unit, and this is the view. And you have to walk all the way over there for the elevator. And there's like a parking spot there underground, I think. He doesn't like that we have to walk.
I like this too, because like when it rains.
It's an elevator. And there's the trash. It's also open. Powder room. Spacious. I like it. Big mirror. And this one too. That's probably the water soon. Parking is the view, not much view. And I like that this has second floor for the bedrooms. How many bed is this? It's... Oh, so that's the powder room. Oh, I like this. This one I like, but there's not much view, but we're closer to the clubhouse and the pool. And the fitness center is just across. And the rooms here are spacious, probably better than the downtown one. Bathroom is big and nice. Walk-in closet, but I think the other walk-in closet is much more bigger. Okay. So this is probably the master's, or it's the same. Oh, this one looks bigger. I think this is the master's bed, or it's the same. Or this one is a bit bigger. Probably this is the master's. Or I don't know. Oh no, I don't like this because so the other one is a tub. This one is a shower, which is good. So that is the clubhouse again, the fitness center. This is just a one bedroom. Because this is the only one available right now.